morning I woke up and I was feeling very, 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 very hot. It's really, really hot here in New York City. So I want to do a facial, but I didn't want to put anything too heavy on my face. I just want something light, something refreshing, something very, very hydrating, and even something that is going to have me feeling a bit cooler. So what I did, I went in the kitchen and I pulled out a few ingredients. One of these ingredients that I pulled out was a cucumber. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you how I use the cucumber to make a facial mask. This facial mask, guys, is going to have your skin just feeling cool, looking good, bright, glowing skin. So if you're interested in seeing how I use this cucumber to create an amazing facial mask that will transform your skin, that will basically give you instant hydration to your skin, follow me to the kitchen and I'll share the recipe with you. Our first ingredient is cucumber, and cucumber is great for the skin. Cucumber contains antioxidants that will help to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It also have hydrating properties that will help to hydrate the skin and keep your skin looking younger and fresher. So what I'm going to do with the cucumber, I'm going to be blending. So I'm going to cut a small piece of the cucumber. I'm going to chop it for easier blending, and then I'm going to blend. After blending, take a look. Here we have the blended cucumber. And now we're going to put this aside and we're going to introduce our second ingredient. Now our next ingredient is yogurt, and yogurt contains lactic acid, an organic compound that aids in diminishing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening and shrinking pores. It also helps to exfoliate the skin and transform your skin from being dry and dull to a much lighter, softer, fresher looking skin. Now if you do not have yogurt, guys, you can substitute with some milk. You can even use some sour cream, or if you're vegan, you can go ahead and use some soy milk or some almond milk in this recipe, preferably soy milk. Now our next ingredient, guys, is dried orange peel powder, and dried orange peel contains vitamin C, which will help to boost the collagen production, smooth the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It will also help to clear the skin of dark spots and blemishes. Now to make your dried orange peel powder, peel your orange, hang it to dry, or put it in a brown paper bag, let it dry, take it out, blend it to a powder, and there you get dried orange peel powder. So let's reach back for our cucumber juice, and this is about 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice. I'm gonna add a dash of the dried orange peel powder, or 1/8 of a teaspoon. And next I'm gonna reach for the yogurt, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of the yogurt. We're adding this to the cucumber. And I'm going to use a little bit of aloe vera gel in this. If you have fresh aloe vera gel, it's perfect for this recipe, guys. Just extract the gel, blend it, and use about a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel in this recipe. Now once this is done, now this is a refreshing facial mask, guys. It's perfect for most skin type. Now we're just gonna blend everything together. So we're blending cucumber juice, we're blending aloe vera gel, we're blending orange peel, and we're also blending yogurt in this facial mask. Now you don't want this mask to be too thick, nor do you want it to be too runny. If it's a little too watery, you can go ahead and add a little bit more of the yogurt to it. And just mix this well, guys. Make sure to completely blend. If you have dry skin, not to worry, this is a very hydrating mask. However, you can go ahead and put a little bit of a honey in it. And now, guys, just mix and mix well. Now once this is done,
we're going to reach for our storage jar, and we're going to pour our facial mask in the jar. Make sure to get everything out. Now once this is done, here we have our refreshing, anti-wrinkle, hydrating, vitamin C rich facial mask. Now this can be stored in your refrigerator for about, I would say, about 5 days or so, since it have the yogurt in it. And how I like to use this, I like to chill it a little before I use, about an hour in the fridge, and let it just get really cool, and then I take it out and apply it to my skin. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator to chill, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how to use it on the skin. Now if you have to go away, what you simply do is take a little of the mask like I'm showing here and just apply it on your face. Be generous with it, a very thick layer. Just apply it all over your face, and once this is done, you're gonna let it sit on your skin for about 30 minutes. It's very cool, it's gonna feel hydrating, so you're really gonna like it. And then after 30 minutes, you're just gonna rinse off, pat dry the skin, and apply your favorite facial toner. If you do not have a facial toner and you have rose water or some green tea water, just splash it on the skin cold, and guys, you're gonna feel amazing. But not only that, your skin is gonna look and feel good, clean, clear, wrinkle free. Okay, and you can choose to use this every day. It's very light, very refreshing, so you can use it as a pick-me-up. However, at least 2 to 3 times per week is best for this facial mask.
So there you have it. What are you waiting for? What an amazing facial mask. This facial mask is really good, guys. But not only that, it is good because you can use a lot of different things with it. You can actually make it your own. You can use milk, you can use rice. It's just really a good way to hydrate the skin and have your skin looking younger and fresher. So give it a go, guys. Use it for a couple of weeks and come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, guys, follow me on Instagram. Go over there if you are not yet following me. Over there we have short videos. We also have a series coming up on Instagram, a weight loss series. You don't want to miss all of that amazing things going on over there. So run over Instagram. Here is my link, and follow your girl if you have not already doing so. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you